Yesterday in class we learned about infographics and how a lot of people use them to make the information better. But we also learned that some infographics can be faulty. Here's an example. Here showing the number of ELS students in the month of July and the month of August. Now if you look at this infographic, it looks like there are so many more students this month than there were last month. Actually, it's only 38 this month and 33 last month. But the way I made this chart, it looks so much bigger. Also notice I used the bright colors to describe what happened in August compared to July, so it makes it look bigger. In this other one, if you notice, when I use the same color and I measure it by tens instead of by ones, it looks almost identical, showing that we haven't had that many more students this month. Here's another faulty infographic that's very misleading. It shows that when a student came in May, the number of students dropped, and that when that same student left in August, the number of students increased the next month. This is very misleading because it gives the idea that somehow this student is why the students are either coming or leaving. That when the student comes, people leave, and when the student leaves, people come. It's as if nobody likes that student. But actually, that's completely faulty. The reality is that the student came during the summer months when there are always less students and left right before the beginning of fall when we always have an increase. So if you look at the infographics in the wrong way, you can interpret them incorrectly. So it's always important when you're learning this information to make sure you read everything correctly.